Hello and welcome to the Listening Post's unboxing channel on YouTube. Today I'm very proud to be unboxing a relatively budget pair of headphones from Foldable. This French company has been doing speakers for decades, and they're at the pinnacle of engineering and sound quality, and it's wonderful to see that they have allowed that technology to trickle down into something so affordable as a set of headphones. This relatively entry-level set is very affordable price-wise, and the performance is astonishing. And when I first listened to these, I was really enamoured with them, and you will be too. Nevertheless, let's have a look. Okay, classic retail packaging. Colour sleeve over a plastic inner. Tells us a lot of information about the product, photographs, information about the quality and other things. In fact, a bit of information about the fact it's got a microphone and stuff on board. Lovely little wee pictorial on the side, and then at the back the information that we will need as far as its operation and other things along those lines, and the impedance, efficiency and other things measured on one edge. Gives you a hint in this photograph with some of the accessories that are inside that we're going to see in a moment. Okay. Now, opening these is really easy. At the rear of it we have a simple factory seal. So there's two of them. And at this point the sleeve just slips off, revealing the inside plastic case, which again makes it look very appealing from a retail perspective, and it's lovely. Now this retail box is then covered in that sort of factory plastic, that sort of lightweight, sort of almost heat shrink sort of stuff. Very cool, and ensures that this product of course is beautifully well protected, and scratches and other things like that are eliminated from the packaging that we see. Now I'll be honest, these look wonderful in the box. You wait until you have a listen. Now opening it from this point is again very easy. It's just a quick tab at the top. This is folded plastic, so I'm just being careful to fold it back again, and it will stay there. And removing them is very easy at this point. Now because the accessories are piled in there, by the way there's the box empty, we're going to see a few of those accessories almost immediately at the rear of the product. Now, style-wise, the packaging has it bang on, and to be able to hide away some of these accessories is an excellent little feature. So let's dive into those accessories first. Firstly, it's got a travel adapter. That's a classic dual mono to 3.5mm stereo adapter, enabling you to jam this into the seat of an aircraft and use these while travelling. It's got, just sort of taped in place, it's got a headphone cable with an inline mic. Hang around for some photographs of these later, as you'll see it sort of close up, so that we can get them plugged in and see what they look like. This one has a focal logo and the inline mic. The control of course is via that, and it's a 4-pin 3.5mm cable. There's a desiccant bag and the protective pouch. Now there's a little bit of information about the product, user manual and other things like that. Very simple. I mean, it's a pair of headphones, so you're going to plug it in, you're going to hit play, stop, pause. The bag itself, the protective bag is one of those sort of semi-soft things. Lovely little zip, good quality actually, and it's got a soft inside. The headphones slide from this point, out from the cardboard. Actually, look, just be very careful, there's a little catch there, enabling it to slide out. Just nick that with the craft knife, top and bottom, and then the headphones will slide easily away from the cardboard. So, there we go, packaging there, and the insert. Now, these are a foldable headphone, okay, and will easily slip in that bag. They are not a fold flat headphone though. The pivoting of the head cups is in fact designed only for comfort factors, not to be able to sit these flat. The cups themselves are protected with some plastic around here to ensure that it comes scratch free to you. And there is a 3.5mm socket at the bottom enabling you to plug the supplied headphone cable in. Removing this is very straightforward. Simple little fingernail across it and pull that off. Love doing that. and it reveals the headphone and its input very clearly. There's a simple slide for expanding and contracting as far as how you may want to sit them on your head, and a little bit of information about, listen, beyond, and other marketing on the headphone itself. When folding these, it's important to remember that you would want to collapse the headphone completely. Even if you've got quite a large head and have these quite extended, when it's time to put them away, please fold them up in this sort of way. Disconnect the cable typically as well. Now inside, and please hang around for some of the photographs, some of the style of this product. And as I twist these, you also get an implication of the quality of the build. These will last really, really well, and certainly much better than many other brands that are very well known but are not necessarily good. Nevertheless, the inside cups are beautifully moulded with a very comfortable pad, and the red insert gives a simple, elegant appeal to these headphones. The Focal logo is prominent across all of the edges, and again, a little bit of information about some of the branding and things on the edge. So, there we go. Unboxed today here at the Listening Post, we have Focal's new Listen headphones, these sort of entry-level headphones that are wonderfully priced and very, very good performing. Unboxed here at the Listening Post in Christchurch, New Zealand.
Thanks for watching. If you want to see more, subscribe to our channel.